Come see this desirable open-concept newer 2-bedroom home in South Venice with a bonus room/den/office, a fenced-in yard and brand new screened lanai. Great location with no deed restrictions and resident access to the South Venice beach ferry and boat ramp just 1.2 miles from your doorstep. This property was built new and customized in 2020 by the current owners who had a vision of their ideal Florida vacation home in this already established neighborhood of South Venice. Most homes in this area are older, so you'll benefit from the newer features and conveniences of a recently built home and still enjoy the amazing location and amenities of this neighborhood along the Gulf Coast. This open-concept home features tropical decor and paint, tile flooring and ceiling fans throughout, and a new screened lanai with 3 sets of sliders into the house. The kitchen is open to the living room and features granite counters, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and an additional dining area that leads to the lanai. The primary bedroom accesses the lanai and has a large walk-in closet plus en-suite bathroom featuring a spacious tiled shower and granite counters. The den/flex space off of the kitchen could potentially serve as a 3rd bedroom and has access to the lanai as well. Laundry room has been enclosed and finished and is located just off the 2-car garage. Outside, you'll enjoy an inviting paved patio with a hammock just off the lanai, where you can soak in the sun and relax. Oh, and did we mention the location? Please schedule a showing and come see it for yourself.